Why is it that Umthunzi Mayiza all day, every day, uyawina, and each time when he gets caught, he only goes to jail? Akajezi ngale ndlela leyo. Nkosi yami kani kwenzakalani? Umthunzi Mayiza is now doing this thing yokuthi ubabsemidi akakhumbuli kahle, and it looks like he's actually winning because he's playing his cards very right, and ubaba sekacabanga ukuthi vele unenkinga yengqondo. He went as far as taking his phone and sent an SMS to Sis Nentlanganiso Nontloso, and then he took him to their restaurant where he was just telling him, you need to calm down, you need to take things slow, and then maybe you can just step down for a little while. While you have stepped down, Mina, I'll take over and make sure that you get to hambagahle. And then Ubab Semiti says, no, actually, so I will not be leaving. I will just be here. In fact, I'm as strong as an ox. Umthunzi-ke wayibona ukuthi ayi ngathi le ayisebenzi. Now remember uNhloso got an SMS ukuthi woza sibe nenhlanganiso, and then he calls ukuthi hawu kanti ukuphi, because I'm here and you said I must come. Then he comes back, and then when he comes back he's trying to think of his feet. How did I even call for this meeting? Then he said, Lalela, I just called you so that I can say thank you for your hard work. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanibonani absheni molweni minjani yipfukile hingongwina. So namutlhakana ngoba hina wa Scandal hikuma koroslo tshamiseka kahle, looking at the fact that the hours that Ulihle needs to work, it's 800 and something, and which that does not sit well with Udintle, because even if she's trying to plan something, it looks like this child is going to be a pain in the butt, and it looks like, well, she is not ready to give up. On the other hand, again, Untloso uthi lalela indaba yakho yabo my hide and seek, being quiet and stuff, it's not working for me. Okusala ngiyakhumbula, and I want us to be together, and I'm just thinking like, well, Uma Vutelage has taken it upon herself that she's going to get a private investigator ukuze azothola kahle kahle ukuthi kwenzakaleni vele vele ngalo mama lo. So she is not backing down, and nobody's gonna stop her. Well, the list has been given to Ugogo gore ha tlhokomela matwins a make sure gore o latella list well. Ugogo was like, I'm not going to use this thing. I'm going to use experience. Mina, I just hope Ugogo does not get things wrong and zivele zihambe left, because right now she's using experience kubantwana laba when I'm 2000, no, not about 2000, yeah, I'm 2000, and sometimes the mother does not like it, and I think Chloe does not like the fact that someone wants to overrule her. She just wants things to be done her way, and ungathi ugogo nje uzoba nenkinga. Ngiyabona.